Teleport. Understanding a sci-fi phenomenon. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into an exciting and imaginative concept, teleportation. This term pops up often in science fiction and fantasy, and it's a fantastic example of how English can transport us into realms of endless possibilities. So, let's teleport ourselves into the world of this fascinating word. Teleportation is a term that comes from science fiction and refers to the instantaneous travel of a person or object from one location to another without physically crossing the space in between. It's like being in one place one moment and appearing in another place the next moment, without any time spent traveling. This concept is a staple in many science fiction stories and movies. The word teleport is a combination of two parts. 1. Tele, a prefix coming from the Greek word tele, which means far off or at a distance. 2. Port, which is derived from the Latin portar, meaning to carry. Put together, teleport essentially means to carry over a distance. It's a newer word in the English language, reflecting the relatively recent development of science fiction as a genre. Now, let's see how to use teleport in sentences. 1. In the movie, the hero can teleport from Earth to Mars in a blink of an eye. 2. Wouldn't it be amazing if we could teleport to work and avoid traffic? Notice that teleport can be used both as a verb, to teleport, and as a noun in its gerund form, teleporting. Teleport isn't just a word, it's a concept that has captured the imagination in various forms of popular culture. From classic science fiction novels to modern superhero movies, the idea of teleporting has been explored in countless creative ways. It's a fun example of how language and imagination can combine to create something truly out of this world. I hope you enjoyed our journey into the meaning and use of teleport. It's a word that lets our imagination soar, showcasing the beauty and creativity of the English language. Remember, language learning is not just about words, but also about the ideas and stories they convey. Until our next lesson, keep exploring and enjoying the richness of English.